In this video today, I'm going to be replacing this Kohler hybrid motion sensor faucet. I've got the same exact model here. We're just going to be replacing with a new one since the old one, the battery compartment has gone bad. The first step is we're going to remove these two Allen screws here on the side. And that's going to help me, or let me remove the top of this faucet here. See, that's the part that went bad. Next step is we're going to remove this clamp here at the bottom that holds it in. It's very rusty, but I was able to remove it with not too much effort. Also going to get these supply lines disconnected. Now I can remove the old faucet. Before I drop the new one in, we're going to screw in the stem here that holds the faucet in. Now we'll use the clamp on the bottom side to secure it. I'm just going to center it up with the sink and finish tightening it. Now we'll get the new supply line reconnected and the water turned on. Now this faucet comes with a battery pack. It's a sealed battery pack, so we'll connect that and then we'll be pretty much good to go. Has a sticker here blocking the sensors that we're going to remove. Okay, now that I got the sticker, let's test it. And okay, it's not working. Alright, so when I went to connect this battery pack, it didn't work for me for that faucet. So apparently this thing is old. I did test it. It's only putting out 3 volts. From what I did my research on is saying that it should be 6 volts. So I'm going to try to rig something up because I looked this part up. They want $100 something for this part, which is ridiculous. And it's like, you know, that's how they get you. They give you these sealed battery packs. Well, I'm going to try to bypass that. I'm going to cut this wire and connect it to here, which should give me my 6 volts. And yeah, we're going to try it out. Okay, so it's not the prettiest in the world. I ended up using wire nuts, but let's see if this thing works. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, yes. Worked.